Hello coders and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug. First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. So here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. Now let's write the right code and let's see the output. And ta-da! The code is working as it should and our output is looking good. The error has disappeared. Well, that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found value in this video, do remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding solution videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone!